No, I'm not playing fetch right now. I'm recording a video, sir. So here's the reality of everything, is that I'm really not that good at this. I just pretend to be. It looks a lot better from far away. When you get close, you realize that it needs some work. Yeah, my hair is way shorter. I'm very impulsive with all that kind of stuff. I don't really care that much. And this is the mirror that we're going to be using. Oh, this mirror is awful. That I took it. Well, I didn't take it from my grandma, but I asked her. I said, "Can I use it?" And she said, "Sure." So, oh my god, it's not even connected. It literally. So first things first, primer. But honestly, I have no idea where mine is, so we're not even gonna do that right now. I also would explain all the makeup that I have, but I don't think anybody really cares that much because it's all crap. So, but CoverGirl Clean Matte in 510 Classic Ivory. I used this in high school, and then I switched it for a little while, and then I went back. Ouch. Okay. This is the biggest phase of the process. Once this is done, you can just chill out, you can relax, and have a great day. That is that. I got a concealer. Those Sephora people, they do a pretty good job of what they do. They really try their best, So I do it under the big old dark circles. Would that bird shut up? Oh my god, it's kind of cute. Okay, so then I try to cover all of my acne. I touch my face too much, which I shouldn't do if I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial, because then you guys see that. I got some powder. So usually I use a brush, but I have no idea, like a powder brush to blend it, but I don't know where that is. Oh, there's a golfer. The dogs are ready to like bark at him. This poor lady, she's just trying to have a good time. Although I can't see anything I'm doing really right now, but normally what I do is like bring the foundation stuff like lower towards my neck. That'd be nice to do. We just did that. Here's what we're gonna do next. I have this. My friend gave it to me. She was like, "Yeah, it's not very good, but you can have it." I was like, "Thank you." So, we're gonna go in with a little bit of Tempe right here. Oh yes, oh yes. I've always wanted to do that. And now is our lucky day. Kind of, you pretend like you're a little window wiper and you go boop, 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 and you hope for the best. And so what I like to do is I like to go in the like inner corner of my eyeballular, and I go right in there. I just covered the discoloration of my eyelids, okay? This is just like a little bit of a darker orange. I'm gonna go on the top. I'm gonna go like on the, the top. Because that makes sense. I'm sure you following at home, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Do I care? Actually, kind of, I kind of do, but that's okay. We're just gonna try to do the inner corner and the lid to get that. It's the same color as the last one. I'm just trying to get it to the same color. This is like a little shimmer thing I'm gonna put on my lid. Ow. Okay, don't hurt yourself. My trick, I forgot what my trick was. So, God, I promise I'm good at this sometimes. I take my bronzer, which I got at Walmart. This thing smells so good. I have no idea what the heck it is, but it smells pretty dang good. And what I do, or what I'm doing right now, is I take it, just get a little bit, and then I use the bronzer as a color. I don't know why I didn't do this to start. I think I just honestly way forgot that I did this. And I try to just keep the lid the lighter color, and then I make it darker above it. I don't know why I do that. I just like it. It makes it look like I put in effort. People are like, wow, you tried here. No, it doesn't. Just kidding. It actually looks pretty bad, but I'm gonna blend it in at the end. Just do a little bit of a I promise at the end of this you're gonna be like, Oh, I didn't even know she could do that. That's so talented. No, but in reality, I couldn't find the smaller brush that I have, so I really, this is mastering something really difficult that's hard to master. So that's what I got so far. That's my way of blending it, which is pretty horrid when you think about it. Okay, so I'm gonna use this brush, Ofra Professional Makeup. And if you heard that, that was my hip cracking, and it felt good. So thank you for asking. So here we go. We're going in with a little bit of a, going in the direction of the hair, right there. Haha, I rhymed. And you don't care. No, I'm just kidding. Okay. So I saw a video and it's like you start at the bottom. Oh, now the color's actually coming off of this. Start at the bottom and you line the bottom first. And then once you get like the shape that you actually want, then that's when you fix everything. I never even knew that was a thing that people did. And then I realized, oh wow, it's nice to have an eyebrow sometimes. It's really nice to have an eyebrow. I like having an eyebrow. Now that we did what we just did, I'm going to go in. I'm gonna go in with some bronzer here. I just go in and I just do a thing. And then I try to make sure it's even. Oh, I look so sun-kissed. I look so sun-kissed. All the e-girls, they put it on their nose because it makes you girly and cute. It just looks like I look a little bit like Rudolph. So we're gonna do some liner. Oh my god, we're gonna do some eyeliner now. This is some really great quality stuff. Why did that actually work really well? Because I know when I do the other side, I'm gonna be mad when it doesn't look exactly like that, because I don't know how that worked. You know, I'm not mad about this. Why does that not happen when I'm trying to do things all the time? Use this guy. Oh yes. I also saw a trick. I don't know if it's actually real. I'm gonna do it right now because it kind of looked fun. It said you can like use bronzer to contour your lips to make it look bigger. I don't know if that's actually a thing. I guess you overline your lips. This is actually difficult because I really don't know where any of my brushes are. So what I do is I spray, oh my god, I'm gonna use this one, and I just do a little bit up here under the eyebrow. Oh, that was a lot under the eyebrow, but you get the gist now. You just want to be like the Tin Man, you know? You just want to be like the Tin Man. You can connect them if you want. Oh my gosh, so that was like way too much. Whoops. I do a little bit on the nose, the Cupid's bow. Then I'm gonna set my face. Ugh, this elf one is like kind of stanky. Last thing we're gonna do is the eyelashes. I can't believe we are coming to a close. Sorry, I was trying to see how bad the lips look, and I don't think they're awful. We do the thick ones. We're gonna do the thick ones. We're gonna do these ones actually. These are thick ones. I'm ready for my eyeballs to be graced with the presence of an eyelash. You know, I'm hoping for the best because this is a stressful experience, guys. Very, very stressful experience. I got the clip thing here. I've got the duo eyelash glue. Gonna put it on here. So little do you guys know, I was a dancing tree at one point in my life, and I had to put on these fake lashes every day, and I'd never done them before, and that was so hard to do. I'm telling you, that was a very difficult task, but it was fun. So now we're gonna try to put these on. They're not the same. They're rather sister. They're not twins. They don't need to be twins, you know? I heard someone, it was like a makeup person, and she was like, you let your eyelashes marinate on your face. And I was like, that's a weird way to say it, but I mean, it works. Whoa, baby. That was a lot of curling uppage that went on there. So now we did that. Oh yeah, mascara. Yeah, just do a lot of layers of that, because when you think you're done, just keep going. Now I'm like actually done. Also, if you're gonna spray the setting spray, probably wait until it's done. Yeah, so short hair is so nice because I literally just took a shower before I came out here, and my hair's already dry, like for the most part. I still don't really know how to style this haircut yet, so I'm still learning because it's like super short in the back. And that is the finished look, you guys. So I don't know how I do it. I don't know how it actually turns out looking decent like that, but this is the look you get when you follow my tutorial, guys. It's so bright out here. I don't like all the brightness. Okay, I'm back. So, here's the deal. Here's what we're gonna do now. There's some trees on the golf course. I know people are actually golfing too, but what I'm gonna do is just go and pose in front of the tree, hope for the best, make my own kind of prop, and I'll show you what the outcome is after I'm done. Hey guys, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Give yourselves a big hug. And I hope you guys enjoyed that. The photo shoot part was just to document the makeup that I did, and I needed some new pictures to upload on Instagram, obviously. So that's what that was really for. But yeah, I hope you guys maybe learned something watching this. I don't really know what I'm doing, but somehow it seems to turn out decent after I do it. So love you guys. Give yourselves a big pat on the back and a big hug, and I will talk to you later.